श्रीमन्नारायणीयं षष्टितमं दशकं गोपीवस्त्रापहरणवर्णनम्। मदनातुरचेतसोऽन्वहं भवदङ्घ्रिद्वयदास्यकाम्यया यमुनातटसीम्नि सैकतीं तरलाक्ष्यो गिरिजां समार्चिचन्। मदनातुरचेतसः is a compound word. Anvaham. Madanaturachetasonvaham because of sandhi. Bhavadangridvayadasya kamyaya is a compound word. Bhavat bhamaha pranaha, angrigha smaha pranaha. Madanaturachetasonvaham bhavadangridvayadasya kamyaya. Yamuna tatasimni is a compound word. Saikatim taralakshyah is a compound word. Saikatim taralakshyah because of sandhi. Taralakshyah becomes taralakshyo. Girijam is a compound word. Samarchichan. Yamuna tatasimni saikatim taralakshyo. Girijam samarchichan. Madanaturachetasonvaham bhavadangridvayadasya kamyaya yamuna tatasimni saikatim taralakshyo girijam samarchichan. Tava namakatharatah samam sudrishah pratarupagata nadim upahara shataira pujayan daito Nandasuto bhavediti. Tava nama katharataha is a compound word. Kathathas mahapranaha. Visarga changes to su. Samam. Nama katharatas samam because of sandhi. Sudrishaha is a compound word. Visarga changes to upadhmaniya. Prataha. Sudrishah prataha because of sandhi. Visarga changes to repha. Upagataha. Pratarupagataha because of sandhi, visarga is dropped. Nadim. Tavanama katharatas samam sudrishah pratarupagata nadim. Upahara shataihi is a compound word. Visarga changes to repha. Apujayan. Upahara shataira pujayan because of sandhi. Daitaha becomes daito. Nandasutaha is a compound word, it becomes Nandasuto because of sandhi. Bhavet, bhamaha pranaha, the t in the end changes to d because of sandhi, iti. So, bhavediti. Upahara shataira pujayan daito Nandasuto bhavediti. Tavanama katharata samam sudrushah pratarupagata nadim. Upahara shataira pujayan daito nandasuto bhavediti. Iti masamupahita vratas taralakshirabhivikshya ta bhavan karuna mridulo naditatam samayasit tadanugrahechaya. Iti masam upahita vrataha is a compound word. Masamupahita vrataha, visarga changes to su there. Taralakshihi is a compound word. Upahita vratas taralakshihi because of sandhi, visarga changes to repha. Abhivikshya, bhas mahapranaha. Taralakshir abhivikshya because of sandhi. Taha, visarga is dropped. Bhavan, bhamahapranaha. Iti masam upahita vratas taralakshir abhivikshya ta bhavan. Karuna mridulaha is a compound word. It becomes karuna mridulo because of sandhi. Nadi tatam is a compound word. Samayasit tadanugrahechaya is a compound word. The cha in the end is mahaprana. Karuna mridulo nadi tatam samayasit tadanugrahechaya. Iti masamupahita vratas taralakshirabhivikshya bhavan karuna mridulo nadi tatam samayasit tadanugrahechaya.